In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a profile on LinkedIn. If you come across a profile on LinkedIn that seems inappropriate, misleading, fake, or otherwise concerning, the platform gives you a built-in way to report it directly. The process is simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to the profile you want to report. Make sure you're on the person's main profile page because that's where the reporting option is available. Once you're there, look for the three-dot icon, which is usually found near the top section of the profile. This icon opens a menu with more actions related to that account. Click the three dots, and in the menu that appears, select the option that says Report or Block. This is the section LinkedIn uses for handling profiles that may violate its policies, as well as for blocking users if you no longer want them to interact with you. Since we're focusing on reporting, go ahead and choose the reporting option and continue to the next screen. LinkedIn will then ask you to select the report type. This step is important because it helps the platform understand the nature of the issue. For example, the reason might relate to impersonation, spam, harassment, false information, or another kind of policy concern. Choose the option that best matches the situation. Try to be as accurate as possible here, because selecting the correct category can help LinkedIn review the report more effectively. After that, you'll be asked to enter details explaining why you are reporting the profile. Use this space to clearly describe the issue. Keep your explanation brief but specific, and include only relevant information about what you noticed on the profile. A clear description can make it easier for LinkedIn's review team to understand the problem. Once you've entered the details, submit the report. After submission, LinkedIn will review the information based on its policies and decide whether any action is needed. That's all there is to it. Reporting a profile on LinkedIn is a quick process. Open the profile, tap the three-dot icon, choose Report or Block, select the report type, add your explanation, and submit. If this is something you need to do for safety or policy reasons, taking a moment to report the account can help keep the platform more professional and secure for everyone.